This kind of sessions literally gives a good knowledge, good kind of experience.
Whether it is from a junior level of HR till the senior management level, to attend it because it has given me some life-changing experiences, approaches and understanding of life.
Not only analyzing the employees and their working structure, it has helped me also to analyze myself where I'm falling to.
It was said that what happiness actually is in the professional world.
Really appreciate this type of session because he has done a lot of research and analysis and all.